It was very much like this place we have right here. Except y'all are much better looking and smarter too. You know that everybody went up there and there was not one in 500,000 people had an umbrella, and it rained for 3 days. Anyway, how that all came about was they called me up after, you know, I'd heard about all these other bands that were going to be at Woodstock, and they said, "Hey John, would you bring Creedence to Woodstock?" I said, "Sure, just give us a good spot on the bill," you know. They said, "How about 9:30 on Saturday night?" I said, "Great." What they didn't tell me was, "You're gonna follow the Grateful Dead." Well, what happened is, you can imagine with a bunch of hippies running this thing. You know, if you've ever seen pictures of Richie Havens singing Freedom, Freedom, that's actually about 14 songs. They kept pushing him out there because there was nobody else to play. He'd come back after his 3 songs, "Go out again, go out again." And so he literally played that same song like 16 times. But anyway, it was chaotic and kind of disorganized, so it got later and later on our day. And the Grateful Dead actually didn't start until about midnight, and we're supposed to follow them. Well, they played a little while, and about 45 minutes, I think, and then their equipment broke. "Hey, Jerry!" "Yeah, man." "Where's my guitar?" "I don't know, man." Anyway, after about an hour, somebody plugged in an amp or something. And then they started playing again. They played for another hour. And I'm waiting in the wings because this is my big shot at showbiz. I'm going to impress 500,000 people, man. I'm going to get to be on Ed Sullivan. Anyway, I come running out. It's 2:30 in the morning. And I'm playing my song. And I look down there. I see a whole lot of people look just like me, except they're naked. And they're asleep. So I'm up here, you know. Man, I'm trying to impress all these people, and they're asleep. So I finally made some kind of comment like, "Well, I hope you like what we're doing up here. We're really trying to kick butt, you know, and play for y'all." Of course, nothing. Way out there, some guy's got a lighter. He's flicking right there. He says, "Don't worry about it, John. We're with ya." So for my big shot, my big opportunity in showbiz, I played the rest of that concert for that guy. Singers playing, how would you come on?